I want to show you three different Milwaukee M18 batteries. Over here we've got the M18 REDLITHIUM HD 9.0. This one in the middle, M18 REDLITHIUM high output XC8.0, and then over here the M18 REDLITHIUM XC5.0. So, and Milwaukee makes other batteries, and I don't know 100% the difference in the HD versus the high output. These are going to fit all your M18 tools, which there are a lot of those. You can see the way they advertise the REDLITHIUM is 50% more power and runs cooler. That's important because I know for a fact I've got a Milwaukee M18 chainsaw, and when you run a tool like a chainsaw, it can tend to get hot, and sometimes the machine will shut down because a safety mechanism to keep the battery from overheating. So in those situations, if you're running a chainsaw, you might want to get something that is rated for the high output. When you're just using like a drill, things like that, I don't think it matters. So here's three options for you. Look for a battery for your M18 Milwaukee Tools.